guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to dive into another video. If you're new here, my name is Brooke. I'm a working homeschool mom of 3 boys who are currently in 4th grade, 2nd grade, and kindergarten. And as you can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be taking you through our first day of homeschool. I have already walked you through some of my morning routine, some little clips of that. And now it's currently 7:20 and I'm just waiting for my kids to wake up. That's the blessing of homeschool. I will usually let them sleep until about 8 if they last that long. They're typically pretty early risers, but we had a pretty busy weekend. So I have a feeling they're gonna sleep in a little bit. So I have gotten everything ready for the morning and I'm like, it's like Christmas morning for me. I'm all antsy and ready to go, but I want them to be well rested and make it an easy day, easing into back into homeschool. So anyways, I thought I would just check in, say hello, thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoy kind of just going through our first day of school. We are gonna dive right into all of our subjects today because we have already been kind of doing those throughout the summer, so it's not gonna be this abrupt like jump into everything all at once. We've kind of been easing through the summer with work, so it won't be too much to add everything in. We are going to play some fun games. I decorated. We're going to have a little back to school breakfast party. So once they wake up, we'll get some snuggles in, and then I will make some eggs, and those will go great with our muffins, and then we will dive into our homeschool day. So I hope that you guys enjoy it. I hope that if you've started your homeschool that it's going great so far, and if you haven't yet, that maybe you'll get some ideas to make that first day of school really fun and really special for your kids as well. So I will chat with you later in the video. What do you think?
Why is there apple?
Because apples is like a school thing. Wake up. Good morning. Happy first day of school, you sleepyhead. It's 8 o'clock. God gives me, I don't have to be
Afraid.
I am.
Right.
God protects me. This week's memory verse is Psalm 119, 105. Say it with me. Your word is a lamp for my feet, a light on my path. Psalm 119, 105. You are the salt of the earth. But suppose the salt loses its saltiness. allegiance to the flag of the United States of America. No, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Sit down. That's the universe. So we have planet, which is what, James? How was your first day of kindergarten?
Good.
Good. What was your favorite part?
Math box.
The math box. You were excited to play games with math. Good job, bud. Timothy, what was your favorite part of your first day of second grade?
Math.
Math? Good. I thought you didn't like math. Some of it. You enjoyed the rest of it?
Yeah.
Good. Did you have a good first day?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Excuse me.
Timothy, what was your favorite part of your first day of
School.
fourth grade?
Oh.
I think it was bingo.
Bingo? That's what I was hoping
No,
somebody
it was
gonna
eating
say.
breakfast.
Ooh, breakfast was good too. That's good. Did you have a good first day?
Mine.
A little bit of hiccups?
No.
We pulled through.
Oh,
You
wait,
thought it
what?
been real hiccups? Hiccups like a little bit hard times?
Mine was math
But you
box
still did
and
good?
bingo. Mine was math box and bingo.
Yeah.
I'm a beaver.
First day of school done! Woohoo!
I'm a beaver.
Boo.
You guys, this is where I'm going to conclude or close out today's video. I'll show you a few clips of the rest of the day, but I am going to cut it off here as far as me talking. Although I haven't done much of that in this video, I hope that you enjoyed getting to see a little bit of what our first day of homeschool looked like. We had lots of games, lots of fun, got into the work, and it took a little bit longer than I expected, but we also had a lot of just reading to kind of figure out how the new curriculum works and things like that. So overall, everything went well. We were tired by the end. We finished at about 2 o'clock. It's 2:30 now. The boys are having some quiet time. I am drinking some pre-workout, gonna get some work done till about 3:30, get about an hour of work done, and then I'll head out into the garage to get my workout done for the day because I didn't do it this morning and I'm kind of testing out this new schedule. Don't know if I'm gonna stick with it, but typically in the afternoons we're headed out. We live in Georgia. My boys play sports, and so in the afternoons we're outside sweating anyways, and so I thought, well, why not just change my workouts to the evening since I end up sweating and have to shower at the end of the day anyways. So we're just kind of playing with it, seeing how it works out. Not really sure if I love it. I do feel like I'll have a better workout because I'll have more energy versus in the morning, and my morning felt a lot less rushed. But I also feel like right now, mentally I'm tired after a day of teaching and working and all of that. So we'll just kind of see. I'm just gonna play it by ear, give it a try this week, see how I like it, and if I don't, then I'll switch back to the morning workouts. But I'm gonna get some work done. It was a really fun day, really enjoying the curriculum so far, and hopefully we'll have a better grasp on it each day that we go. Not hopefully, I know that we will. We will get a better grasp on it each day as we go, and when we don't have the pictures and the games and all the, the muffins and things like that beforehand, I think the day will go a little bit quicker as well. So typically our school day goes from about 9 to noon. So today there was about 2 hours of extra in there, which is fine. We had fun. The boys all said this was a great first day. They had a great time, so that really blessed my mama heart. But yeah, feeling great, feeling excited. I hope that you are as well, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave me a comment down below. Let me know, and make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe and do all the things. I'm not good at all of that, so do all the things you're supposed to do at the end of a YouTube video. But thank you for being here. Thank you for being a part of our homeschool journey. I think these videos are going to be something that, this is more of like a hobby type of thing for me, where years down the road I'm going to get to look back at our homeschool journey and have these memories that are just showcasing what our days were like, and I can't wait for that. So I love that I get to share it with you for the encouragement, but I also look forward to the days in the future where I have these videos to hopefully look back on and reflect on our homeschool journey. So thanks again for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.